Number one, at the best since Steven Farms. Then we actually started fish farming and snail farming business as a beginner. Maybe another person started fish farming and as a snail farming, but you don't know where to start. Best subscribe to our channel because I have a snail farming and fish farming for beginners. And the video never check about Astor with juveniles and as a fingerlings as a fish farmer. Maybe our person winya healthy fish and as a woman you intend them na woman and stocking your fish is the best way to learn. So let's dive into it. 1. Prepare your pond. You can't prepare your pond now. Before I say all the juveniles and as a fingerlings in everybano. I say we use concrete pond, earthen pond and as a tapering pond. I say we kama. Now ubu is subun for 2 to 3 days before I start stock of fish. You buama mwani timinya ahoden and as a buama wumi intentem for how be the embryo. Step 2. Choose your healthy fingerlings. You can't choose your healthy fingerlings here. And your fingerlings be an essay and as a juveniles be an essay or stock or fish pond. I say what me say fingerlings now baby using. Ahoden. To me at you to miss me and send our stock. Your farmers be able to stocking a fish farm and nothing to me stocking a juveniles and as a fingerlings. Once every 2 to 3 days, no one shall say the away, but the alcohol juveniles and as a fingerlings in the pino and what the one that we need our day. Step 2 so we make sure say the fingerlings only active and as one more our day before I say all the one started with fish farming business. Step 3, acclimate your fingerlings. You can't acclimate your fingerlings here. So the fingerlings in our bar, no for fingerlings now. When we bought, I don't know how to copper finger or don't copper fingers in the band. And so, to me, if you are location out of copper fingers in the mover, and so we are about to now young Katanka Kadi will be so over for multi so over Paka. And so young Katanka do be what do for speed do the beer. As now, but you know, now when you had the L, so make sure yourself. The fingers, you know, over copper on Katanka class and I don't want to do. I don't want to be a real power passer. The rest of them will mean I saw them. Now, but them, about fingers. Step 4. Stocking your pond. You can't stocking your pond. So the fingers na be do. At the end of fingers in a woman now say a jerry can not be allowed to far. Juveniles and as a fingers in now the one buy. So do want to ensure now a wall of fish pond and as a tapering pond. So the 2. Now we use small as slowly. But make sure say ensure what tapering pond. If you do at the end of the fingers in the middle. We will was a fish in our shot, but the 8 people before. In Papa fingers into killing this, Taporin Pond as a phone. Then if you are infused, you do uncle. Yes, so we now put an outflow before. Step 5. First 24 hours. No, if you are walk of fish farming about if you are working with me, crank, I don't want to do one for long journey, don't want to be. Master to one, I be the other one, you know. A new person will feed you in 24 hours. Video. So John, I want to see me pa Ponum Katanga class say we are all start on a pa and a pa. That I know and a panodi video and no video on the next day morning. Now be video the juveniles go there the one shall say the camera. That's it for today's video. I know you have learned how to stock your fingerlings or juveniles as a fish farmer in the right way. So remember, when I I start to fish farming, never chere a fish farm juveniles and I say fingers and maybe young thing want me any intent. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for any updates on how to start your fish farming and snail farming as a beginner. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.